old-fashioned needle case. Gather together a certain number of items. Scissors, thick card, felt, and backing materials for lining. Could be synthetic or silk. If there is a salvage that's pretty, I like to use that, incorporate it in my design. Here's some pretty fabric for the outside. And of course, thread of the right colour. And ribbon to match. In this case, pink and green. You also need needles and scissors for cutting the card. This is a suggestion, but in fact, my needle case is of a sampler on linen that I made. And I always seem to use my steam iron here on the mat. Now, to think about ribbon, I could have gauzy pink, pink velvet, to pick out the initials and the date. Or perhaps going for a pale green. You want to think what would coordinate. There is brown, and I do like that cherry red. But in the end, I chose a lovely rich green velvet. The satin was too bright, the ivory satin was too bright. Now you can use a cutting mat and a rotary cutter or scissors, pencil, and you want to cut out a length that is double the width of your needle case lining of the same size, and pieces of card 2 that are half the width. My needle case is about 4 inches square. That's quite large. It will hold a decent number of needles. And you lay the fabric right side down and put the card on top, leaving a selvage. And then the lining fabric and another piece on top for a pocket. And as you can see, I do incorporate the selvage edge on that. Here's some lunch for lunch break: tarragon eggs and pasta, no butter, and a cup of tea. And off I go again. But I decide I'm going to have a pretty little motif on the back and stop to stitch that in. Now I have pressed down the edges all round the linen and the lining and the pocket, and stitch them all together. Pressing helps, I find, to keep everything in place. I like to use really small stitches. Keep it very neat. And don't stitch the top of the pocket, of course. You're going to leave that open. And for the felt inside, it's cut just slightly smaller and neatly stitched down the spine between the pieces of cardboard, but on top of the lining fabric and pocket. Then I love this scarlet ribbon, and you stitch it to the outside using thread that is the same color as the ribbon, and another piece on the back stitched on the outside, and there we have it, with the green velvet as a border. The pocket's very useful for extra packets of needles. You don't need to use felt, you could have wool fabric, something that's going to be gentle for the needles. And you could have thread winders instead of needles in the pockets, whatever you desire. Try and make the needle case the same size as anywhere like a tin or a box that you might be going to store it in. And there we have it. I hope you enjoy making this and enjoy using it. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe, that would be lovely. And like if you like it. But more importantly, I do hope that you make your own. Remember, you don't have to have the sampler on the front. It can be any fabric that you would like to use, but do keep the colours coordinated. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you again.